are seeing needs rise year after year.
As the temperature drops in Calgary, the urgency goes up for people experiencing homelessness to find places to stay during the cold. Organizations are stepping up to provide shelter, food, and clothing. Working with community partners to provide support services and affordable housing options.
Our numbers climb as temperature drops. So yesterday we had about 552 sleep check-ins, and we expect that number to increase as the cold front settles in.
Expecting to house over 1,000 individuals during the winter months. Chandra Brubel from Unhoused Calgary says maintaining contact with vulnerable individuals is a significant challenge, prompting efforts to reduce displacement and ensure consistent support.
It's often a process that involves a lot of those case management pieces. And so if somebody is disappearing off our radar because they are being moved a lot, it makes it very difficult to help move them towards stability or other housing options.
However, the city confirms there have been over 7,000 reports about encampments in Calgary. Brubel says despite the weather, there's still a percentage that will not stay in the shelters.
We do see a small percentage of people experiencing homelessness not access shelters, even when we do see inclement weather happen. A part of that is trauma-based. Folks have a hard time sometimes in congregate open settings, which shelters are, of course.
She says shelters are only one option, encouraging individuals to also look for warming centers and public libraries to take a break from the cold weather.
We're always in urgent need of winter clothing, especially for men's winter coats, gloves, mitts, and hand warmers, winter footwear and toques, warm socks, and long underwear.
Ultimately, the goal is to empower individuals to transition off the streets and into stable living situations. In the meantime, they work to make sure they have the supplies they need to stay safe. In Calgary, Silvia Naranjo, City News.